Assalamu alaikum aspirants. The English portion in CSS MPT often becomes the deciding factor. You must have strong command over vocabulary, grammar and sentence correction. So in today's MCQs we will cover synonyms, antonyms and grammar rules to help you perform error-free in the exam. So 20 MCQs हम डिस्कस करेंगे और हम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है चूज द करेक्ट सिनोनिम ऑफ द वर्ड एब्सोलीट. तो इस वर्ड का सिनोनिम हमने बताना है. एब्सोलीट मीन्स ओल्ड और आउटडेटेड. ठीक है, तो इसका राइट आंसर है आउटडेटेड. फॉर एग्जांपल ऑब्सोलीट टेक्नोलॉजी मीन्स ओल्ड टेक्नोलॉजी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. सेलेक्ट द एंटोनिम ऑफ द वर्ड बिनोवलेंट. तो बिनोवलेंट का अपोजिट हमने बताना है. इसका राइट आंसर है मेलेवलेंट. ठीक है, यानी कि मेलेवलेंट का मतलब होता है बदनीयत और बिनोवलेंट का मतलब होता है काइंड या जेनरस. ठीक है, सो इट्स अपोजिट इज मेलेवलेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. आइडेंटिफाई द एरर. ही डू नॉट लाइक टू प्ले क्रिकेट. ही डू नॉट टू प्ले और क्रिकेट. तो राइट आंसर है डू नॉट. ठीक है, विद सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट ही वी यूज डज नॉट डू नॉट. सो करेक्ट सेंटेंस इज he does not like to play cricket. Next question. She is interested dash learning French on, in, at or with. तो right answer है in. Okay, interested always takes in. Correct. She is interested in learning French. Next question. Choose the correctly punctuated sentence. Ali said I am going home. Ali said I am going home. सो पंक्चुएटेड सेंटेंस बताना है हमने. राइट आंसर है बी. ठीक है, अली सेड आई एम गोइंग होम. सो इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच द कॉमा एंड कोटेशन मार्क्स आर यूज्ड इन दिस वे. नेक्स्ट, सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग. अकोमोडेशन. राइट आंसर है बी, अकोमोडेशन. ओके, करेक्ट स्पेलिंग हैज डबल सी एंड डबल एम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है चूज द करेक्ट प्रीपोजिशन. ही इज फॉन्ड dash music of, with, on or about. Right answer है of. Okay, correct usage is fond of. For example, he is fond of music. Next question. Identify the correct passive voice. They are watching the match. The match is watched by them. The match was being watched by them. The match is being watched by them, or the match has been watched by them. The right answer है C. The match is being watched by them. Okay, this is the passive form of present continuous. Next question. Choose the correct synonym of the prudent. Careless, wise, foolish or hasty. तो इसका right answer है wise. ठीक है, prudent means wise, sensible its opposite is careless. Next question है correct the error. Each of the boys have a pen. Each boys have a pen. तो right answer है have. Okay, each always takes a singular verb, so correct is each of the boys has a pen. Next question. Fill in the blanks. I prefer tea dash coffee, then, from, over or to. So right answer is to. Prefer always takes to. For example, I prefer tea to coffee. Next question. Choose the correct indirect speech. She said I am tired. She said that she was tired. She said that I am tired. She said that she is tired. She said that she is tired. Right answer है A. She said that she was tired. In indirect speech, present or present continuous change to past. Next question. Identify the error. Neither of the two brothers are honest. Neither of two brothers are. So neither is a singular subject, so it should be followed by is. Correct. So neither of the two brothers is honest. Next question. Choose the correct synonym of ambiguous. Clear, vague, simple or exact. So right answer है vague. Ambiguous means unclear, vague, so its opposite is clear. Next question. Select the antonym of prosperity. Wealth, poverty, success or growth. So right answer is poverty. Prosperity means wealth, success, so its opposite is poverty. Next question. Choose the correct sentence. She enjoyed reading books. She enjoys reading books. She enjoyed reading books or she enjoying reading books. तो right answer है B. She enjoys reading books. With singular subject she, we use enjoys. Next, identify the correct one-word substitution. One who studies human societies. So right answer है sociologist B. Okay, one who studies human societies is called sociologist. Next, choose a correct sentence. By next year he dash his degree. Completes, will complete, will have completed or has completed. So right answer है will have completed. Okay, by next year requires future perfect tense. So correct is by next year he will have completed his degree. Next question. Select the correct article. He is dash honest man. A, N, the are no article. Right answer is N. In honest, the H is silent, so it starts with a vowel sound, and correct article is N. Next question is choose a correct synonym of candid. So इसका right answer है frank. Okay. Candid means open, frank, or direct. So you should not just memorize these MCQs, but also practice them. Write at least 10 sentences daily, so grammar becomes natural in your mind. Regular English practice will help you succeed not only in MPT but also in the descriptive portion. So in the next session we will solve more challenging questions.